Hey everybody, it's Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com and Exit Bayshore Realty. I'm here with the Casperson family. We just closed on their property in Bayshore Beautiful, and we wanted to share their story for a quick moment. Leona, I think I met you right after Hurricane Irma.
Yes.
And there were some things that happened to your house during the storm, it sounds like.
Yeah, one of our rooms, Irma decided to put a hole all the way through into our room. And
Yeah.
it was all wet. Everything in the room got wet and
Yeah,
luckily didn't come into the rest of the house.
Mm-hmm.
And our electricity still worked.
Yeah, that was a good thing.
but the roof was destroyed, right?
Yeah, that at least that whole section. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was a big bedroom too.